It is going to need it. Inner fenders on both sides. Is that a patch over there, or what is it?
Inners and outers.
Yeah. Where that thing is, you can see the hole, but then it looks like somebody put something down in there.
It's got extra in it.
So he put something over it, you think,
Yeah.
to hide it?
Yeah, there's 2 patches in there actually.
There's 2 of them, you see.
It's just jolly rigged. Yeah. Instead of just fixing it right. Yeah. That's probably why. Is the Can you do anything with that hole in the roof? Would the whole thing have to be redone, or how
The
does
problem is the back. If it aids the structure out,
I walked right past that,
yeah, they just kept welding and welding and welding.
and then this is smashed.
Yeah, you can fix that, but it's rotten underneath, so like all the way through here you can see through it.
Oh yeah. This stuff's not. I mean, we knew that was there. Yeah. We had some time then, huh? Well, we knew we had a project. So that's probably gotta thought the
Battery.
yeah, that area is
They do
gone.
sell, you can buy the baffle separate.